Hi folks, Rick Haaland for Trade Show Web Radio Training Systems. I'm going to step you through a little bit of a video of explaining why Trade Show Web Radio concept and the platform works so well. You ready? Okay, here comes the first point. Point number one, podcasting is just web radio. Web radio really works. As a matter of fact, 2015 was the year of the podcasting. Did you know that up to 36% of all marketers plan on using video and podcasting in their business? How many do it now? About 2 or 3%. So there is a huge potential. There is a tremendous potential to use web radio and podcasting in your business to help other businesses. Number two, it's because traditional radio and TV just can't go as deep as Trade Show Web Radio can. They can't afford to spend the money, the time, the resources, all of the equipment, and hiring somebody to do the editing, hiring somebody to set up a booth in a trade show. That's going to cost them a lot of money. But we can do it for a very reasonable cost while still guaranteeing you the high profitability. A few months ago, one of my clients had a radio ad built, and it was $500 for 30 seconds. So that puts the average ad for radio or TV at about $1,000 per minute. That's really expensive. That's out of the reach of most small business owners. Yes, you will have a fair amount of success advertising on traditional radio and traditional TV, but there is a better way, and that's coming up in the next points. Stick around, folks. Another point we'd really like to make is that you get to market the entire trade show from your interactive digital magazine. You get to control the message, the content, the pictures, the videos, the interviews, the industry experts. You get to control the entire thing and then launch that magazine out into the wild. Now keep in mind that most small businesses in their email database, they have between 250 and 1,000 people in your database. So as soon as you interview, say, 40 vendors, you have 40 opportunities to share that interactive digital magazine. And remember, all of the links and the videos and the pictures are inside that magazine. This is a complete marketing system. Welcome to Trade Show Web Radio. Who is this course for? Well, let's see. Let's go down the list. If you're a podcaster, you are already trained. Same with you bloggers. If you're an event planner, you can take this course and get some extremely good ideas and then bring other podcasters and bloggers and event planners into the course with you, and vendors. They'll be able to help you out with your show. Oh, well, let's not forget content creators. They can do a great job at a web radio show because they're already creating content anyways. Who can use this training? Entrepreneurs. If you're looking for a stable, dynamic, powerful platform to use to teach people how they can help their businesses by educating their customers, the whole premise is we're going to educate, inform, and entertain, and then we're going to wrap all of that beautiful product up into a digital magazine that you can send to your clients. Now, we're marketing on a whole new level. It helps you multiply your marketing platform, which is really big. Now, if you interviewed 40 vendors at a trade show, you have 40 opportunities to go to those vendors and do business with them again down the road. But if you share your interactive digital magazine with them, they have their email database. So if the average business knows 250 to 1,000 people in their database, that's a lot of people. You could be sending it out to 10,000 to 40,000 people enthusiastically because the vendors will help you market your magazine. Social media experts can also do a fantastic job when they join us at Trade Show Web Radio. We'll give you all the training. We'll give you all the steps. We will hold your hand through the entire process. Present the final objective. Okay, what is the final objective? When you come and take training from our class, these are the things you're going to find out. These are the things, the gifts and skills and abilities and ideas and concepts you can take away with you and start your own Trade Show Web Radio show. You ready? Okay, let's get started. This is an overview of the material. So what have we got? Well, we've got a combination. We've got text for those who enjoy learning by text. We have what I call storyboards. That's a picture with, or a page with 6 pictures in there to explain exactly what I'm doing. For example, if I'm talking about equipment packing, if I'm talking about microphones, if I'm talking about pre-tube amplifiers, that will have its own specific page where we can discuss it. We also have videos that talk about equipment, setting up the equipment, setting up your own trade show booth, working with event planners, a whole bunch of stuff. So we've got things on 3 different levels. We've got text-based, we've got storyboard-based, and we've got video-based as well. Folks, we hope that you're really enjoying this training. We want to change your lives. We want to change your business lives. Start podcasting. It's fun. We do it together. When you come to our live training, we sit down and you use all of our equipment here, and you get to create your own show. Another thing that I forgot to mention, if you're hosting your own show at a trade show, and you want me to Skype in, if you can get a really good landline connection with your Skype so we can have video and audio, I will help you out with your trade show, and I will co-host your show by allowing me to Skype in, and I can help you with your show. It will be a lot of fun, and you learn as you go. Folks, this is really, really important, this podcasting, this web radio stuff. Folks, if you're not using web radio right now, your competition is thinking about using web radio in the future. The time to jump on this thing is right now. Get started. I will help you any way I can. Here's the deal. We have an alternative that fits into almost every single category of tech media. We've got traditional radio covered. We've got traditional television covered. We've got traditional magazines covered, and we can do newspaper type style reporting as well. Don't let this opportunity go. Get involved with us. We promise that we will make your business, you'll be able to gain market share, increase profits, and really enjoy the people you're working with. Doesn't that sound like fun? It's been said time and time again that everything magical inside your business or your personal life happens outside of your comfort zone. So join us and we'll get uncomfortable together. Then we'll bring you back to the comfortable. Hey, you know what? I poured my heart and soul into this training. I love what I do. I'm passionate. We want to give you the best training experience anywhere in the world. Join us. My name is Rick Haaland for Trade Show Web Radio. Come see what all the excitement's about. We are building community. When you want to get serious about using video and audio podcasts to grow your business and other people's business, give us a call. Trade Show Web Radio. Thanks so much for stopping by, folks. This is Rick Haaland for Trade Show Web Radio. Thanks. Bye-bye. Take care.